Hey everybody, hope this video finds you well and happy. If not, you know what to do. Today I'm unboxing what I got from the Jefree Star wedding collection, and because I just had to show you how beautiful these things are, and I'm really impressed with the serum. I haven't unboxed it all. I know some people have had problems with their palette, but anyway, let's have a look. So, oh no, this has been sitting out, but damn, I don't know what got on it. Alright, yeah, these are beautiful. I got the package of the wedding proof setting spray. Somebody's put food all over this. I had it on the table. The serum, which I love. Anyway, these, look how beautiful. It's got a pink cake on the back. Pink wedding cake, and they're pink. Oh, and they smell like strawberry. They're really gorgeous. I don't know what you do with these, but blotting paper, I'm not sure what to do. I guess you blot things off, but anyway, all of that. Yeah, so this is a setting spray. I like this. I haven't tried it yet, but from what I saw, I like it. And damaged my nail now. This is the spray. It smells like lemonade. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And this is the serum, and I wanted to show you because it's amazing. It's bright green, and it does leave a bit of a green tinge, but not really. But if you look, I'll do one hand. And it actually does make a difference. That's really gorgeous, and I'm so happy. And I got, like everybody, behind the veil. This is cute. I have tried it once, and yeah, it was cute. Beautiful packaging. The packaging is amazing. Check this out. Yeah, beautiful. And now to my second box. Look. Beautiful tissue. Yeah, I just want to get into this. Oh yeah, very pretty. Oh yeah, there's a logo. Oh my. There's a collar. Nice. Pretty. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright. This is the part I'm most excited about. This is the magnetic part because it was on a special for about $6. I don't know. It was really cheap. American bucks. Isn't that pretty? And there it is. I hope you can see. Very nice. I'll be able to use my singles in that. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, is there any difference? I don't know. I love that serum. It works so well. Here we go, here we go. Ooh. Eyes tear. Nice. Very pretty. Nice, look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Everything is so gorgeous. Matches. Oh, it's got the cake on the back. Yay. Pretty. Oh, yeah. Wow. That is beautiful. Love it, love it. Alright. Let's see what it looks like on the hand. Better pull my hand up. Okay. Nothing's broken and it's all good. Alright. That one. Okay. Pretty. Nice. Shiny. Okay. Let's try the second row. That's a nice one. That's a beautiful gold. Right, cute. Oh yeah, Mrs. Star. Wow, she's a star. She's so lucky. She's a star. She cries in a lonely little home. Bridal Beauty. And what's this one? First Dance. I'm not telling you what they are, so I'll tell you. So we've gone down to here. So from left to right, this one. Grand entrance. Cut the cake. Seating chart. Star vows. Hors d'oeuvres. Save the date. Wedding rings. Gold-blooded. Love that. Look at how bright that one is. She's a beauty. Committed. Bound together. Okay. Cake topper. Flower girl. Very pretty. Mrs. Star. Bridal party. Oh, bridal beauty, sorry. First dance. No. I'll try the last two rows. I love you. Polyamorous. Ooh. Cute. Devotion. I do. Okay, I do. Always and forever. Nice. Soulmate. Under the veil. Clinking glasses. Nice. Till death do us part. Wow, she's pretty. And tuxedo black, of course. Nice. Cute. And there we have it. Wow. I'm sure there's 100,000 looks in this palette. Looks pretty versatile. Some of the colours are a little bit chalky, and we can see in the palette, but pretty much impressed. Okay, well there you go. Here's the Jefree Star Wedding Palette Collection unboxing, and I fully recommend. This is a beautiful product. I fully recommend it. Love it. And this is also gorge. It's still showing up on my hand, and it's, yeah, quite cute. Quite cute. Okay guys, have a nice day. Love and light. Catch you next time.